All right, guys, today we were making some homemade hummus, so let's get after it. I did double this recipe because I'm using it for gyro bowls that I'll have another recipe posted for. So just do half if you want like a single amount, like not a ton, but double it up if you want a lot of it. So we're going to start by adding our garbanzo beans. You're going to drain them and reserve some liquid on the side. And then we're going to add in our tahini. We're going to add in our minced garlic, our olive oil, our lemon juice, and then salt and pepper, as much salt and pepper as you want. I did about a tablespoon of each. And then we're going to throw in a little bit of that liquid that we reserved and start blending it in the food processor. We're saving it just because if it's too thick, we can add more of the liquid in there just to like make it more thin, make it more smooth. But I didn't do all of it at first just because I wanted to like make it more chunky so that I could fix it later on. It's better to be more chunky than be like extremely smooth and watery. So I did actually end up adding a little more olive oil to it because the liquid like worked really well, but I just wanted it a little more smooth and I felt like olive oil would do the trick, and it did. And that's it. I mean, you just keep blending it until you get the consistency that you want. Add as much or as little liquid as you want, and that's it. I use these for Euro bowls that I have another video of, and I also just put them with some pita bread, and then I just added a little more salt and pepper on top, and that's it. If you guys like this video, subscribe, rate, and bon appetit, y'all.